Add a cube. Scale it as you like. Select a face and insert it with I. Move inside the face with G. Select the vertices and bevel it with Ctrl B. Insert another face, creating the perfume cap. Now extrude the face and bevel it. Add subdivision modifier to make everything more realistic. Go to Canva and add the custom dimensions 1024 x 2048 and try to create a design of a realistic perfume like I do in the video. When you finish the project, download it. Go to Shader, move Principled BZF, and add Glass BZF to get a glass effect. Add Image Texture, Principled BZF, Glass BZF, and mix shader and collect them as in the video. Select the part where you want to add the project created on Canva, press U and select Unwrap. Fix it as I do in the video. Already here, you will have a realistic effect of a perfume. Now arrange the background as you like. I leave the time lapse of how I did it. Remember to leave like if you like the video, subscribe, and also leave a comment.